Now, I would like to talk about the Aufbau principles. Aufbau principles say that electrons occupy the orbitals from lower energy levels to higher energy level of the orbitals. So we just follow this arrangement and follow the arrow. So the lowest energy level is 1s, followed by 2s, 2p, 3s, and so on. And that's it is Aufbau principles.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about rules for assigning electrons to orbitals. There are total 3 rules, which is Aufbau principle, Pauli exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. The second one, Pauli exclusion principle, will be my topic today. This principle states that there are no two electrons have same 4 quantum numbers, N, L, and S. N is principal quantum number, L is angular momentum quantum number, M is magnetic quantum number, while S is electron spin quantum number. It also states that only 2 electrons can occupy the same orbital. Means that 2 electrons in the same orbital. And by the way, at the same time, they must be in opposite direction. That means they are always spinning in opposite direction. You can see I highlighted it when it is one is upwards and one is downwards. That is correct. And if one is upwards, another one is also upwards, means that is wrong. For example, I given here, if n equals to 1, L will be 0, M will be 0, S will be positive or negative 1 over 2. So in total the number of electrons will be 2. That means there are 2 quantum number for n equals to 1, which is 1, 0, 0, positive 1 over 2, or 1, 0, 0, negative 1 over 2. You can see I also highlighted it. That is positive 1 over 2 or negative 1 over 2 for the 1s2 orbital, because n equals to 1, it has only one s2 orbital. Well, another example is n equals to 2. L will be 0, M will be 0, and S will be positive 1 over 2 or negative 1 over 2. So will be the number of electron will be 2. That means the quantum number will have 2. 2, 0, 0, positive 1 over 2, and 2, 0, 0, negative 1 over 2. That's why here say it must be in opposite direction if the N, L, M is the same, but S will always be different because they are positive or negative 1 over 2.
Hund's rule. Hund's rule stated that electrons occupy generate orbitals singly in the same parallel spin before they occupy the orbitals in pairs. The rules also stated that orbitals with equal energy are occupied by one electron before any orbital is occupied by second electron. Added that orbitals with single electron must have the same spin for all single electrons.